Right, after a short unintended break, I am back. We've got some Gwent County Premier action tonight. Cwmbran Town against Ynysddu Welfare. So yeah, should be right. So for those of you unaware of Cwmbran Town's rich history, they were actually the inaugural winners of the League of Wales. They play in the great stadium, well, the Cwmbran Stadium. Some call it the best stadium in Wales. Or the best worst stadium in Wales. I can't exactly remember how he's just quoted it, but they've got this big 2,000 seat stand, sadly derelict and unusable, and they haven't got the money to fix it, so quite a big shame that, but otherwise it's quite a nice place to watch football. So yeah, we'll get into the game. Right, the two teams are out. Cwmbran Town wearing their iconic black and white, and Ynysddu are playing in a weird colour for them. They're playing in red. Don't really understand why they can't wear their yellow today. But rules are rules. We've got some issues with the net a second, so I think the gaffer taping it to the crossbar. So yeah, right, we'll get into it. Right, we've just kicked off. Ynysddu getting us underway. I'm going to apologise now for the quality because it's never as good under floodlights, but we just have to make do, basically. Oh, early chance that. Corner to Cwmbran. We've got that corner coming up to Cwmbran. Oh, interesting. Oh, what a start! What a corner routine, what a start. Can't be more, we can't even be a minute in yet. 1-0 to Cwmbran. Brilliantly worked move. Straight off the training ground. To Cwmbran. Oh, interesting. Oh, what a start! That's a teasing ball in. Well held by the Cwmbran goalkeeper. Oh, decent chance that for Ynysddu to get back into the game. I say get back into the game, we're still only about 5 minutes in. Great ball across. Oh, still got it. Oh, I thought he'd scored no goal then. We'll have another corner to Ynysddu. Right, corner to Ynysddu after that. Oh, they're trying a training ground move. Oh, he's done well there. He's done really well there. He's taking it too far. Cwmbran on the attack. Oh, good move. Is he going to put this in? He is. He's going all the way to the far post. Oh, good save by the keeper. We'll have another corner to Cwmbran. We saw how dangerous they were on their last one. Oh, it's poor corner, really. He's kept it in. Oh, good slide. Right, we've got this throw to Cwmbran now. Oh, good battle for that there. Oh, that wasn't a foul. I'm not really sure what's going on. I think he's just given a penalty to Ynysddu. Back with the confusion, but yeah, did look a bit like a foul. So yeah, we will see whether Ynysddu can get back into the game. We're about, well, let me just check, about 35 minutes in. Great chance to make it 1-1. Does make it 1-1. The Ynysddu fans on top of the yellow loving life. 1-1. Right. Cwmbran have just got into this position from a long ball. Good chance. Oh, it's good foot in then from Ynysddu. Stick with this. Great defending. Oh, he's over it that though. Oh! What a goal that would have been. What a strike. Ynysddu resurgent after that penalty. Good ball out left for Ynysddu. Oh, he's done the defender there. Oh, he's in. 2-1 to Cwmbran. That was a quality goal as well. Right on the stroke of half time. Cwmbran Town take the lead. Someone's getting very excited. Oh, he's in. 2-1 to Cwmbran. First half has just come to an end. Thoroughly enjoyable first half of that. Cwmbran Town going 2-1 leaders. So we'll be back in a second for the other 45 minutes of action. Right, we're back for the second half. About to kick back off. A few more goals would go down pretty well. But I think we'll be in for a good second half. He's done well there. Ynysddu have started this second half quite positively. Even if that was quite a weak shot in the end. Oh! Great defending. Oh, good challenge that. Oh, what a ball. Oh, good catch from the keeper. Oh, good movement from the striker. Oh, just wide. Oh. No. Yeah. Oh, brilliant run. Oh, it was a good pullback as well. I'm a corner to Ynysddu. Corner to Ynysddu. Oh, it's good hit, but it's just off target. Oh, there was someone on the far post there, and that's 2-2. The ref's not flagged. He was miles off. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping, but he was miles offside then. I don't really know what the referee's doing. I don't think that went out either. I think he stopped that on the line. But the referee never gave it as offside. That should have been a goal. Cwmbran should have really made that 3-1 then to seal the game. But well, we're only about 15 minutes into the second half. There's plenty of time left now for Ynysddu to capitalise on Cwmbran's error. See whether they can now, actually. I'm knocking it round quite nicely. Got into a bit of space. Is he going to shoot? It was quite a soft shot in the end after some really nice build-up. Oh, nice bit of footwork there. He's got away from him. He's got away from another player there. He's put that through. I don't know how the ref can give that as offside, as a guess, and not the other one that he was about sort of 3 or 4 yards off. People are not happy for both sides now. This is a conflict that you always have in Gwent County leagues, where you don't have actual linos, you have volunteers from each club on the line. Now, I don't want to say he's doing it, but if you're a volunteer for a club and there is a 50-50 decision, you're not going to give it against your own club, are you? Like, that's just my opinion. It's nothing about volunteers, but you're not going to give a decision against your own club, are you? Like, that's just not going to happen. So anyway, it's all kicking off here. It's about the 3rd time this game has happened as well. I try not to talk about that because I know it's difficult for referees. But what a challenge that was as well. But sometimes you do need to mention it. Oh, what a move. Oh, what a save. What a save from the goalkeeper. I missed the move, but sort of like 1-2s all the way from the 35 yards out. Brilliant play. Should have finished. It should be 2-2. And with that, Cwmbran, one long ball. That was definitely gone. Really glad the referee called that. Not that you could see it, but it was the correct decision. Oh, Ynysddu in. Oh, he's hit it too quickly and just shanked it wide. Right, we got a corner to Ynysddu, half hour into the second half. Oh, it's gone all the way through. Oh, good block. Too close. Oh, big deflection. Big deflection sent the keeper entirely. Oh, he shanked that. That's not a foul though. Ynysddu are going to keep the pressure on with this throw in. It's going to be a tense last 15 minutes. I'm curious to know what this metal structure is around the ground. Oh, what a tackle that is. Oh my, how is he giving that as a free kick? That's never a foul. Not in a million years. Not in a million years. Oh, Ynysddu with a huge chance to level up now. Right, we've got 12 minutes left. Ynysddu free kick. Straight into the wall. Poor effort, actually. Fucking hell. What a strike that was. Right, Ynysddu throw. Probably got about 10 left now. He's got hands on him there. Good pull back. Great bit of play this. Oh. Oh. That was a wonderful piece of football there. Brilliant last ditch defending from Cwmbran. Ynysddu will have a corner though. So they'll have another chance to put a bit of pressure on. Right, we've got that corner now. Much better ball. They'll have another corner. Oh, terrible mistake at the back. Oh my God! How has he missed that? I was about to say goal, but that's an absolutely atrocious miss. Basically, the keeper shanked his clearance. It's fallen to him. One touch over the keeper. He's gone past him and he's put it wide. And it's D in behind. He's done him there. Ah. Ynysddu have been really good, but really quite poor in the final third. They could have scored a few. Same could be said for Cwmbran Town. Oh, that's going all the way through. Good scramble defence. Oh, but that's terrible. Oh. Got rid of it finally. Just. Right, well, Ynysddu are countering now. It's just counter-attack after counter-attack, really. Oh, good goalkeeping that. Quite composed as well. Tell there's not very long left in this game. Oh, he's gone. He's in. Great challenge. They'll have a corner though. Right, we're into added time with this corner. Pulled across. Oh, just tried to flick it. If he'd just side-footed that, that would have been 2-2. Probably going to be the last chance there for Ynysddu. It's a good pull back that. And again, number 8's a danger man. Oh, great defending that. Great defending. He's just earned his team the win there. Some pace on him. Oh, that was, he slipped, but bloody hell, that was a nasty challenge. You couldn't see it because of the dugout, but yeah. I think he's going to book him for that. Oh. Has been quite a tasty game. But I don't know how long the ref has added on, but we're what? 2 over? 3 over? 2.5 over. Oh, keeper came up for that one. The keeper's held it. If they got rid of it quickly, they could have scored then, but they're not. Just trying to hold on to it. Oh. I've just heard the ref shout 1 minute. 1 minute left. Oh. These metal spikes around the pitch really aren't doing anyone a favour. He had hands on him then. Good ball. Dropped. Oh, well held on to. And that's full time. Cwmbran Town run out 2-1 winners over Ynysddu. Really good game. Yeah, really good game. Few good goals. Both teams have missed some proper sitters' minds. Referee was probably more than controversial most of the game. But that is what you get in Gwent County Leagues and South Wales Lions. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, stick around and leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.